Hey there, future GSoC stars. Did you know that over 90% of GSoC applicants don't even make it past the first round? But here's the twist. Most of them fail before they even start. That's right. Not because they aren't smart, but because they miss key details like deadlines, choosing the right org, and submitting a weak proposal. But don't worry, I've got you. Stick around because I'll break down the exact roadmap to crack Google's Summer of Code 2025. Its timeline, how to participate, and how to craft a proposal that gets selected. Oh, and before we dive in, tell me in the comments, what's the one thing holding you back from applying? Lack of confidence, no experience? Drop your thoughts below. Alright, let's get started. GSoC 2025 timeline. When to start? Most people wake up when applications open. Big mistake. GSoC runs every year in phases. January, February. Orgs get announced. This is where you start networking. March, April proposals open, your golden window. May selection results are out, June to August. Coding period. If you're watching this late, you might think, did I already miss my chance? Hang on, I've got a hack for that. Cliffhanger, keep watching. How to participate and choose the right org. Not every organization is a good fit. Most people randomly apply to famous ones like TensorFlow or Chromium and get ignored. Don't do that. Instead, 1. Check past GSoC projects. Find ones that match your skills. 2. Join the community early. Hop on their Discord, mailing lists, or GitHub. 3. Start contributing before applications open. Even a small fix can set you apart. Pro tip: the orgs remember active contributors. If they see you engaging in discussions, you're already ahead of 80% of applicants. Oh, and speaking of mistakes, the biggest one? Submitting a weak proposal. Let's fix that next. Another cliffhanger. How to write a proposal that gets selected. This is where most candidates fail. They write generic copy-paste proposals, and mentors can smell that from a mile away. Here's what a winning proposal includes. A clear problem statement. What are you solving? A detailed plan with weekly milestones. Show structure. Your contributions so far, even small ones matter. Why you? Highlight unique skills in past projects. And here's the kicker. Mentors don't just select ideas, they select people who are serious. That's why early engagement is everything. But what if you don't have prior experience? Does that mean GSoC is out of reach? Nope, there's a secret hack for that. Keep watching till the end. The hack most people don't know. Even if you're late, you can still stand out. Here's how. 1. Find an easy open source issue in your chosen org and submit a PR now. 2. Reach out to past GSoCers and mentors. Ask for feedback on your draft proposal. 3. Craft an alternative plan section. Show you've thought about unexpected challenges. Now you might be thinking, okay, I know how to get into GSoC, but what about other major tech programs like Goldman Sachs? Good news, I've got a video breaking down exactly how to get selected there too. Tap the end screen now. And if this helped, like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who's applying for GSoC. Let's get more people into open source.